Here's a really good tip that I give clients all the time when it comes to helping with color retention. Something like 34% of color is lost by the shampoo that you use. So the appropriate shampoo, the right shampoo, makes a big difference. But in addition to that, here's a technique that I use all the time, works really well. And it's this. Many people who will color their hair will use they'll shampoo their hair one day and then skip a day and then wash it again. Here's the thing. Be sure that you only wash it when it's dirty. Now, if that means you can go 3 days, terrific. When you wash it, only when it's dirty, this is what I recommend they will do, is to take their hair, wash it on day 1, on day 2, maybe dampen it or something like that, or if you can skip it, just braid it or something of that nature, wear it up. On day 3, instead of washing it, I will have them use a light conditioner instead. And what it'll do is it'll change the texture, it'll remove any surface dirt, it'll have a tendency to work just fine. And my favorite's this one. It's the Tri-Organic Complex by Chromastics. I really do like it. It's a really good one, so yeah, that's a good one. What you would do is you would take and put that one on. It only stays for 1 minute. And because of its pH range being in 5.5 to 6.0, it makes the hair feel soft, makes the hair feel like hair, it feels good. You rinse it out and it feels like you just washed it. Typically, what you're feeling on your hair between when you first washed it and the time that you use this is that typically what you're feeling is just some water-soluble product that you can rinse off. So when you go to wash it, okay, just take and rinse it really good. That'll get rid of most of the water-soluble product. Then use something like this, just a nice light conditioner to help it to rinse it off and to help it last longer. This really helps make your hair color go a lot further. Give it a try, see what you think. Hey, good to see you. Good to see you. What am I saying? I can't see you. There's a camera right here. I hear people say that all the time. It's kind of silly. I mean, can't see you. This is what happens when I come into the salon, I get work and I'm busy, and then I've got a little bit of a break. I'll take some time to try to shoot one of these, but then I start realizing that, you know what, I'm talking to myself. Be sure and like, subscribe, share us with your friends. We're going to try and reach some goals with this particular channel, and in order to do it, we need you. If you do try this technique, and I encourage you to do so, particularly with color-treated hair, I would really like you to please let me know what you think of how this works. Let me know how well it worked for you.